Leading organizational change. Let's say your institution is ready to launch a stackable micro-credential program, something short, skills-focused, and aligned with regional workforce needs. It's a great idea, but great ideas don't implement themselves. To lead real change, you'll need both a structured process and strong institutional alignment. That's where Kotter's 8-step model and the agility framework come in. Let's walk through how this works, step by step. Step 1. Create a sense of urgency. You start with showing why micro-credentials matter by showing results of employer surveys, declining adult enrollment, and skill gaps in your region. Governance leaders spotlight workforce data and economic alignment. Operations teams raise the alarm about students disengaging from rigid degree pathways. Faculty point out how current curricula aren't always agile enough for career changers. Together, you make the case. Inaction is riskier than innovation. Step 2. Build a guiding coalition. You form a cross-functional team composed of deans, workforce directors, industry professionals, advisors, instructional designers, and faculty from high-demand disciplines. You make sure every agility framework dimension is represented, so policy, infrastructure, and pedagogy are in sync from day one. Step 3. Develop a vision and strategy. Your team drafts a vision, stackable, employer-aligned micro-credentials that serve both degree-seeking and returning learners. Governance defines how these fit within the strategic plan. Operations assesses platforms, credentialing systems, and advising capacity. Pedagogy outlines learning outcomes, competencies, and authentic assessments. Your strategy is grounded, not theoretical, because each domain weighs in. Step 4. Communicate the vision. You roll out the message across campus. Governance leads with presidential briefings and board updates. Operations hosts info sessions for staff and support teams. Faculty leaders share use cases at department meetings and curriculum councils. When everyone hears the same message in different contexts, trust builds. Step 5. Empower broad-based action. Now you identify and remove roadblocks. Governance fast-tracks policy updates to transcript non-credit credentials. Operations configures the LMS to support modular content and badging. Faculty get stipends and course releases to develop content. You're not just telling people to change, you're equipping them to do it. Step 6. Generate short-term wins. You launch a limited number of micro-credentials in high-demand areas. Governance shares student enrollment and employer feedback with trustees. Operations tracks learner progress and builds a dashboard to monitor outcomes. Faculty showcase student work and share early teaching insights. These early wins fuel momentum and help skeptics start to believe. Step 7. Consolidate gains and produce more change. With proof in hand, you expand. Governance allocates budget for system-wide credential integration. Operations develops onboarding templates for new departments. Faculty across colleges begin embedding micro-credentials into degree programs. The pilot becomes the foundation for a broader transformation. Step 8. Anchor changes in the culture. You institutionalize the work. Governance builds micro-credentials into strategic KPIs and faculty evaluations. Operations maintains infrastructure and support teams. Pedagogy integrates credential design into curriculum reviews and new faculty onboarding. Micro-credentials aren't a project. They're part of how your institution delivers value. Throughout the process, Kotter's model keeps you focused on what to do next, while the agility framework ensures the right people are involved at every stage. You didn't just launch a program, you led a coordinated cross-campus transformation. And that's the power of process plus alignment. That's how innovation becomes reality.